Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and with popular features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2014 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, security system, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.